This apple cake is my favorite fall food. It's incredibly delicious and addictive. We're not actually huge cake eaters, but me and my hubby finished this large cake in 3 days. For this recipe, you'll need 6 cups of apples, which is about 6 medium apples. My new favorite in this recipe is MacIntosh apples. The MacIntosh apple makes a great apple because it's soft inside and it incorporates nicely into the cake. To make this recipe, you need 2 cups of flour. Add 2 cups of sugar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of nutmeg, and combine. I'm adding a half a cup of olive oil, 2 eggs, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, and mix to combined. I used it all in the same bowl, but just make sure you use a large one so you have room for the other ingredients. At this point, it looks like cookie batter, but once you add the apples, which is 6 cups, the batter will change. Tamp down the apples because you're going to have flying apples. Quite a lot of the juice gets expelled from the apples and creates a nice batter. And you could decide how much chunky apples you like in your cake. If you like nuts, add a cup of nuts. I'm using pecans this time. Sometimes I use walnuts. Mix until combined, and there you have your batter. Transfer it into your greased baking dish. I forgot to take a pic, but I've made it several times this season. Preheat your oven at 350 and bake for about an hour or until a toothpick comes out clean. This cake is so delicious you don't need any frosting. It tastes even better on the second day. Happy fall, happy Thanksgiving. Please like, subscribe, and share. Take care till next time. Happy cooking.